What's up guys, Confucius here with my second video ever. This one is on a recent project I took on that was a lot of work, but turned out fairly well in the end. I'm happy with it anyways. So it started when I heard that a good place to get a good deal on fish stuff is on Craigslist. So I started checking the posts, and I did eventually find a good deal. However, as you can see here, the inside of the tank was, let's just say, not exactly what I was looking for. But several hours of cleaning and rearranging later, it was looking much better. This is what it looked like up and running at that point. But that was still very far from the vision I had for this tank all along. So that's when the real transformation began. And a few days later we had this. So I took out all the rocks and put them aside. I put all the fish that came with the tank into the 55-gallon I already had. I also put most of the plants from this tank into the 55-gallon too, except I left a few of the huge pygmy chain swords. Then I had some rocks that came free with the 55-gallon, which I've been wanting to use in a tank, so I stuck those in and rearranged them into a little cave thing. Then to top it all off, this Craigslist deal also came with a separate 5.5-gallon fry tank. So I took all of those convict cichlid fry from there and moved them to this one. Now the cichlids might start destroying these plants, and I might have to swap them out for some Java fern or a Nubius or something, but we'll see how that goes. And since this video was created, I've also stuck in a sponge filter in the right corner and a few nearite snails. But other than that, that's about everything for now. It was a lot of work, but I only lost one fish throughout the whole process, a cardinal tetra that was looking a little scraggly to begin with. And I did get a good deal on a tank that we now really enjoy. So that's my new 29-gallon. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.